Nazareth TV, a television station with a spiritual benefit. Watch Nazareth TV and get inspired, uplifted, healing, promotion and deliverance. Your deliverance begins in your mind, and your mind attained by the things that you hear and the things that you see. Nazareth Television brings you all the events and footages of the crusade of Apostle Victor Hounkpati. Now, here is a striking and a remarkable event that took place in the recent crusade of Apostle Victor Hounkpati in Tamale, the northern region of Ghana. Apostle Victor Hounkpati prophesied to a man and revealed deep secret about his life.
This is what I am seeing. I am seeing rising and falling. And some time ago, anytime you dream, you see yourself naked. You see yourself naked in the corridor. Listen, anytime that you dream, you see yourself naked. It means there is no more protection. There is no more help for you. See yourself.
The man of God, Apostle Victor Hounkpati, conducted an intensive and vigorous deliverance on this man.
They will rise and they will fall. That's when women can somebody dress and come to church. So when measure cannot change. That is why somebody will say, I'm sure this pastor is using a spirit because we are all here. That is why some people in crusade like this, they will be somewhere they say, this man will not touch me because this man will touch me now. This man like this, I will do this. She want to show where she will see the demon. See what the demon will do.
God is something the deeper of the prophetic as Marco for some deliverance follows immediately.
Hey! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you to talk to me? Today is your last day in this world. Hey! Obey my voice. Now I read your powers now. By the blood of Jesus. Jesus! Jesus!
The man of God, Apostle Victor Hounkpati, after breaking all the curses on this man, he realized the man needs financial help. So, Apostle Victor Hounkpati blessed the man with all the offering gotten in the crusade that day. And the people that were present in the program also supported this man financially.
So they are not going to school.
It's the school owner who is taking care of them.
It's the school owner who is taking care of them.
Yes.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you.
They worship for Nanma and God before too.
God bless you.
In church worship and then
So there is a prayer I'll do for you on Saturday. So from tomorrow fast. Tomorrow fast.
You understand?
You are going to end the fasting on Tuesday.
And
Tuesday. And do you know why?
You mean?
Because I'm seeing this man going mad. Our God.
That particular thing was my father's family.
That is what I am calling limitation.
Apostle Victor Hounkpati prophesied to a man and revealed deep secret about his life. The man of God, Apostle Victor Hounkpati, conducted an intensive and vigorous deliverance on this man. The man of God, Apostle Victor Hounkpati, after breaking all the curses on this man, he realized the man needs financial help. So, Apostle Victor Hounkpati blessed the man with all the offering gotten in the crusade that day, and the people that were present in the program also supported this man financially.
Thank you, Jesus. God bless you, man of God. God bless you. Appreciate it. And the Lord has said to you, give a little from me. Thank you, man of God.
You want so much, tomorrow you are not here with Jehovah.
This is a true expression of God's love and kindness, as it is written in Galatians chapter 5 verse 13 and 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 4 to 7. Attend the next crusade of Apostle Victor Hounkpati and be blessed. Stay connected and keep watching Nazareth TV as we bring you more spiritual, inspired content and footages.
Never situation I am. I am God and I never fail. Yesterday, today and forever the same.
Stay connected and keep watching Nazareth TV as we bring you more spiritual, inspired content and footages.